Hey, hi. Mikey is worried about his career and he is looking for an opportunity in the field of robotics. So, Mikey wants to become a robotics engineer. And someone has recommended our name to Mikey that Mikey, they are the real deal who can guide you in the right direction. So, Mikey has come to us to learn about how he can build his career in as robotics engineer. So, let's see. Let's guide Mikey in learning the robotics and becoming a successful robotics engineer. Okay, so this is the question which Mikey have, and we will try to resolve his problem. So, Mikey ways to become a robotics engineer in 2025. Let's dive deep into step-by-step guide to a career in robotics for Mikey. And if you are also looking for career transition, then you can join. Or if you want to help Mikey, then stay with me. Let's help Mikey build his career successfully in the field of robotics. First of all, Mikey wants to know what will be my future in robotics. So robotics is a growing field, and the future is fabulous. First of all, robotics is one of the fastest growing fields in technology as of now. Okay, and um, this is true not only in Western countries, European countries, but all over the world. Industries like AI, healthcare, space, defense are expanding their robotics divisions. And you will see more and more expansion in coming years. So definitely as a robotics engineer, the career is very stable for Mikey. High demand is equal to exciting job opportunities in 2025 and beyond. That's guaranteed. So Mikey is looking into a very bright future. Okay. So let's explore how Mikey can start his career in robotics and how you can start your career in robotics. Let's guide Mikey now. But who are robotics engineers? Mikey has first question. Who are these robotics engineers and what they do specifically? So a engineer designs, build, and program robots. Okay. They basically work on hardware, software, AI, and automation. So this is kind of cool things. If you are interested in technologies and building and designing, then this is literally a great field. Industries using robotics are healthcare, defense, automotive, space, and industrial automation. So you can be part of any particular industry, from healthcare to defense to automotive to space to industrial automation, any part. Example, robotics engineers create self-driving cars, robotics arms, and AI-powered humanoid robots. Okay, so these are robotics engineers. They work in almost every industry now. They design one of the most amazing tools and technologies around the world, including self-driving cars. And this is a bright field. This is a bright field and a very adventurous journey. So Mikey, he is looking into a very adventurous journey for himself. So what is the minimum qualification to become a robotics engineer? Bachelor or master degree in mechanical engineering, computer science, robotics, electrical engineer. Uh, these are the minimum basic requirement. Okay, you can have electronics and communication engineering as well. Okay, but this is the basic requirements in your bachelor or master degree. If you have in one field, it's still okay. Okay, beside that, you need different skills like programming language, Python, C++, MATLAB, Java. Okay, this is very basic. And as of now, you need all these skills, but in future, you can take the help of artificial intelligence instead of investing your time in programming. Okay, then AI and machine learning. You must have in-depth knowledge of neural network and deep learning. Then embedded system. Programming is all about just creating the algorithm. Okay, AI and machine is to understand how these machines work. And then you need embedded system where you are going to connect your your programming and your hardware, your software and your hardware. So for that, you need in-depth skill in Arduino and Raspberry Pi and IoT. Okay, IoT, we have so far covered many lecture on IoT. You can watch in the YouTube section itself. Okay, then mechanical design, CAD tools like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, because what is a robot basically? A robot is a structure, and for to build that structure, you must have in-depth knowledge of mechanical design. However, you don't need all these skills in just one go. You can be expert in AI and machine. You can be good in embedded system or mechanical design or programming language. You can be part of anything. Then this is special edition from ReThynk AI. You must have prompt expertise. Okay, master prompts work. If you do Google search, or if you like you do um, Google search or Grok or Meta, or you can you go outside and ask anyone, then they are going to say, you need programming and AI, machine learning and embedded. But we at Rethink AI believe prompt expertise, prompt engineering is also the part of skill set, and you must know about it. Okay, so as my recommendation, Mikey should have either one of these, whether in bachelor or in master, and then these are the skills, and prompt is must for Mikey. Rethink AI already provides you with 24,000 prompt use cases in 40 different subjects. Okay, these are available to all of you, and to make sure it's easy to use, easy to carry, all prompts have been provided in the Kindle book format to ease the process of carrying and using these prompts. If you have not seen so far, I will provide the link in the description. I will ask the team to provide the link in the description. Basically, they do all the back end work. When it comes to research work, that's my core. Okay, so go back to Amazon and check what type of which subjects we have already covered. If you feel any one subject is very necessary for you, let us know. And always like make it must as an engineer or you are a professional to have all these prompts use cases in your mobile phone or smartphone all the time. Okay, you are a professional, and as a professional, like how soldiers work, they always carry their weapon with them. And now in 2025, as an professional, you must have 24,000 prompt use cases with you all the time. And to make sure it's easy for you to use and carry, we have provided it in the Kindle book format and ebook and paper book format to make it easy for you. So you can jump into the description, get the link, visit and see what type of prompts are available, and make it must for you that whenever you leave for your office or any important meeting, you have this prompt database with you all the time. So my tip for Mike is get hands-on experience with various type of prompts, including their structure, design, and working. So what is the first step for? As of now, we have discussed the background knowledge, but what is the first step? The first step is get these prompts and then understand their structure, design, and working pattern. What is the structure? How we create prompt? Okay, what type of structure we use? If you see in the prompt which I designed, they run into different part: basic, foundation, then background, essential knowledge, then what are the the resources which we have, what will be the outcome we are looking for, then comes the design, then comes its working. Okay, so have these prompt use cases. Mike is very smart, Mikey will have it. So now the next question for Mike is, but rethink AI, what should I have first? That's an important question. This is the background knowledge, but Mikey wants to make his career. So he's asking, what should rethink AI? What should I have first? Okay, so here are the list of the couple of courses which I have found. One is MIT Open Courseware. This is this they provide really good knowledge about robotics, and the best part is it's available online as well. When it comes to learning, I prefer online mode because it saves my time of traveling. Okay. Uh, a long time back, I was looking for getting in-depth knowledge in the field of strategy management. And I found one course from London School of Business Administration, and this course was really good. So what I did, I jumped into the course instead of looking for on-campus training. I really prefer online training. So you can have online training for yourself. Next is Stanford University. Stanford University has a couple of courses in AI and robotics, and you can use these. You can have these courses. These are also always prefer to look for online course instead of on campus or offline course. Okay, it will save your time. Harvard Artificial Intelligence for Robotics. These are really good courses for you to have. Next, uh, between theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge, I highly recommend get practical knowledge for you. Okay, Mikey, 20% Mikey should have theoretical knowledge and 80% Mikey should have practical knowledge. Okay, experience is far more better in terms of robotics engineering. Which is better for robotics engineer? Short term, practical knowledge wins. You can start building simple robots with minimal theory, gain confidence and learn by doing it. It's faster to get tangible results, which keep you hooked. Long term, theoretical knowledge become more important as problems get complex. Say designing humanoid robot and that walks, you will need to model stability, control system, and sensor fusion. In reality, you need both. Okay, robotics is interdisciplinary hardware, software, and theory where theory collide. AI robotics who only knows theory can't build, and one who only thinks can't innovate. So you need practically both. So what is the sweet spot? The sweet spot is 80-20. Spend 20% of your time on theory and 80% on practical knowledge, and adjust as you grow. So it's project based learning. So it will depend on project as well. This is after having this research from on my own. I was looking for some advanced what AI think about it. So this answer is from Grok 3 deep research. Even I believe you must have 80-20, 80% practical knowledge, 20% theoretical knowledge. Both are necessary. Grok is also on the same page. So the right answer for Mikey is to have his 80-20 balance. So the next question for Mikey is like, what is career path and perks? That's important question. Education must serve you three purposes. One, mm, education must provide you knowledge or exposure. Then it must give you source of earning. Okay, it's necessary. You have to survive in this world. Okay, and then it must open the world for you to grow yourself. Okay, so let's see whether robotics can provide all these three things. One, career path. As autonomous vehicle engineer, Mikey can work on self-driving cars and drones. These two fields are going to grow very rapidly in coming years. Then medical robotics engineer, they develop a robot assisted surgeries and prosthetics. Okay, so Mikey can have his career in medical robotics as well. AI and machine learning engineer, they basically build AI powered robot. Okay, industrial automation engineer designed robotics assembly line. So these are the four options which are really good for Mikey. And then comes which is if you want to go beyond the limits, then aerospace robotics engineer, they develop robots for space exploration like NASA, SpaceX. Okay, so these are really good platform for Mikey to build his career. When it comes to salary, robotics engineer can earn $80,000 to 1,50,000 dollar per year. Okay, however, these numbers vary from continent to continent, countries to countries, and companies to companies. According to Grok 3, the deep research model, you get maximum salary in United States, and there are a couple of companies they provide more salary as compared to other companies. So according to Grok, United States, the average salary is around 112K to 136K. Sources like Glassdoor peg it at 151K total pay, including base salary and additional perks like bonuses, while built-in reports say it's somewhere 136. So numbers are going to vary for you. Okay, and numbers are at beginning you will get the base salary, but with time you can grow your career. But however, this is a decent amount of earning, whether you are wherever you live. Okay, this is a really a decent amount of earning. But most importantly, in US you have higher salary, but in other part of the world like Asia, Africa, the salaries are significant low in comparison. Okay, you should prefer United States as to join your robotics to grow your robotics career. So where can I get experience? So yeah, experience is necessary. So how Mikey can get experience? Mm, First of all, Mikey can start, robotics on robotic projects, work with Arduino or Raspberry Pi and AI-powered robots. This is the like do it yourself. The best experience never comes from when you work for someone else. The best experience comes when you start working for yourself. Okay. And then Joan, there was no one who came and taught us prompt engineering. Okay, prompt engineering is all self-taught. Experimented, learned, then experimented more, then started designing my own structure. Okay, what should be the ideal structure of a prompt? What should be the ideal length of a prompt? And I started working in step-by-step manner, and then I developed the entire prompt use case. Just go to the description and check the link. Join robotics competitions. Like there are so many robotics competition are happening around the world, and then there are expo events happen everywhere, so you can jump into that. Internship and research. Apply for internship at Boston Dynamics, Tesla, or iRobot. These are a couple of good options. Boston and Tesla and iRobot, they provide you regular internship opportunities. Then you can work on open source projects like GitHub. Okay, it's a good way to get practical experiences. First, start your own projects, then look for join some competitions, then internship, then you can have open source projects, or then focus on getting the experience. But ideally, it's get 20% theory, 80% practical experience. So where can I get the internship? Yes, Mikey need internship, and where can Mikey apply for internship? First is Boston Dynamics. Okay, Boston, Tesla, NVIDIA, they are working in depth in terms of robotics. Boston Dynamics, they are working on advanced humanoid robots. Tesla, AI-powered autonomous driving. SpaceX has its robotics in space exploration, but it's really hard to get internship opportunity in SpaceX. NVIDIA, they build hardware. Amazon Robotics, Amazon is building robotics for its warehouse, and these robotics will be totally autonomous in nature. Then Google DeepMind is a good platform. Okay. Uh, so ideally, Mikey should have his eyes on these companies for internship and job opportunities. What will be the future scope? So if you are in robotics engineer, what will be your future scope? Your future scope will be very bright. The demand for robotics engineer is expected to grow by 25% over the next decade. This is not a number based on, these research, because there is no way to predict it. These all are just expectations. So we have covered a number 25%. 25%, however, is a big number. Okay, AI-powered robotics will become more autonomous and intelligent in future. And for that, we need more and more engineers to train those robots, whether they're algorithmic programming, their deep learning, neural network, giving them the training of working in the environment. Robotics will revolutionize industries like healthcare, transportation, and defense. So Mikey will have a bright future scope here. The future of humanoid robots and AI integration is closer than we think. Okay, it's not about just robotics, but we soon we will start connecting AI and robotics. By 2030, overall 60 to 80% industries will rely on robotics for automation, whether they have humanoid robots or some just robots for their warehouse, but every country, every industry will depend on robotics. So Mike is really excited. What should he do now? Okay. Final steps to become robotics engineers. Get the right education. If you have bachelor's or master's in robotics related fields, we have already provided you the list. Then learn key skills like programming, AI, mechanical design, and prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is very necessary. Gain hands-on experience like robotics projects, competitions, and internship. Get certified. Take robotics and AI courses to boost your resume. Remember, it's not about just certificate, but it's about having the authenticity. We at Rethink AI, I always show up and we never edit these videos. Okay, just to show you the authenticity. One of the key things to build, develop your career or business is be as authentic as possible. So not only give the focus on getting the certification, but get your experience as well. Okay, network and apply, connect with professionals on LinkedIn, GitHub, and AI forms. Follow these steps. Mikey should follow these steps and start his journey into robotics today. Okay. So, any final thought? Rethink AI? Yeah, there are a couple of final thoughts. Robotics is the future, and you can be part of this exciting revolution. Whether you are a student, career switcher, tech enthusiast, robotics is an amazing field to explore. Next, with the right skills, courses, and experience, Mikey can lead his dream job in robotics, and that's possible. So, what would you recommend? I have just shown the journey to Mikey, but what would you recommend to Mikey? Whether he should join as an autonomous car or warehouse or building a humanoid robot, what will be your recommendation? So whatever your recommendation is, give your recommendation to Mikey in the comment section. And let's see what Mikey has more for us. Oh, thank you, Rethink AI. Thank you, Mikey. It was a good decision to subscribe to you. Yes, it was a really brilliant decision. You have subscribed to us. And if you also have not subscribed, then subscribe. Rethink AI is your artificial intelligence partner and guide. So start learning robotics today and be part of the future. That's is my recommendation to Mikey. Will have a bright future. Consider subscribing if you have not subscribed. This lecture was prepared by Rethink AI. The slides were prepared by Vista Libreta. Vista Libreta is the marketing partner of Rethink AI and presented by me. I am Jaideep Parashar, your host, your guide, and your friend. Thank you so much for giving so much love to Rethink AI and all this journey. Thank you for guiding Mikey as well. If you have some recommendation for Mikey, share in the comment section. And let's Mikey have a greater success, and you also have a greater success. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourself.